But members of the Ummah hold a special place in the hearts of fellow members of the Ummah. So when I see my brothers and sisters in pain in Palestine, I am in pain. I don't believe that there is a Muslim who is not in pain to witness the genocide, the atrocities, the unacceptable acts of aggression perpetrated against our brothers and sisters in Palestine. I don't believe there is a Muslim who is not hurt by that. I don't believe there is a Muslim who does not feel that something needs to be done. But each one of us has a different capacity. Rather than playing a blame game that shaitan wants us to play, by looking at each other and thinking this guy could have done more and should have done more, without realizing the other fingers are actually pointing back at you to say, you do what you can and leave the others to do what they can based on their understanding, their capacity, and so on. If you want to encourage others, then do so. But don't point fingers in a way that you're creating a bigger problem in the ummah.